This is the 2012 M1100 Turbo 162 Snow Pro 50th Anniversary Edition snowmobile that I have listed on eBay currently. Just wanted to give a demonstration of how things work. The CNA skis, those are mine. I'm going to keep those. I do have stock ones that have never been driven on before. You can see it's got the better boards on it. But before we get to that, let's start it. It's about 0 degrees right now. It was 18 below last night. Give you an example of how things work on the sled. Flip the key on, the LED light blinks, indicating which horsepower setting it is. Here's the switch right here. It's on the 220 setting, 240, 260, 280. Which 280 they recommend race fuel. So let's give it a start.